Hi everybody, welcome to a short introduction on HTML and CSS. Today we're going to have a look at Repl.it. It's a HTML editor, and this video is just to set up a root folder and where we can actually create our very first HTML page. So if we go into my Repls at the top left hand corner there, you'll be met with a menu here. It just says whether you want to create a new folder or whether you want to create a new repo based on the fact that there is nothing there at the moment. What we're going to do is, as with any new website, we need to create a brand new root folder. So we're going to select new folder from the bottom there, and that pops up a dialog box. And we're just going to type in my website as the name of our page, and we'll click on create there just to create that page. And as you can see on front of us there, we have my website that's been populated in there. If I left click, it'll pop us inside that folder. We can see it there by the little breadcrumbs at the top there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select a new repo. Okay, now Repl can use multiple languages, as you can see there, but the one at the very top for us is HTML and CSS, and that's the one I'm going to select. Now Repl comes up with weird and wonderful names for each individual Repl, but in essence what we're looking for you to do is to make sure that you call it index.html. Okay, now the reason we use index.html for websites is that it allows search engines to recognize what the home page actually is. And this will just create a HTML page called index.html inside your Repl there. So if you click on create, and you will see that it will start to load it up, what we need from our page. And you will see it's created a basic structure for a HTML document. But in essence, that's where we're going to take it from the next video, for us to look at the structure of a HTML document and then go about trying to create your very own homepage. Okay, so if you get yourself signed up for Repl.it, have a go at creating your root folder and your very first Repl, and then we can make start in terms of the structure. Thanks.